Hi guys, welcome back to Eduate channel. So today's topic is Berenil. So we have heard this name many times before. So Berenil is the trade name of a drug which is having the main ingredient dimenazine acetate. It is used to treat many protozoan diseases in the field condition. So if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. So this is the structure of the ingredient, that is dimenazine acetate. So the mechanism of action is the dimenazine acetate will be irreversibly inhibiting an enzyme that is needed for the synthesis of polyamines inside the trypanosomal or the protozoan cell. So whenever this enzyme is inhibited by the drug, normal production of proteins and polyamines will not be happening inside the protozoan cell. That will eventually lead to protozoal cell death. So indication. Berenil RTU is mainly used to treat the red water fever or babesiosis or Texas fever in case of cattle, biliary fever in case of dogs and horses, and also used to treat many infections caused by trypanosoma. It is mainly used as a drug of treatment for babesiosis, trypanosomiasis, and theileriosis. So we will be moving to the composition in the vial. So each ml of Berenil will be containing 70 milligram of dimenazine acetate. 70 milligram of dimenazine acetate. We have to focus on the 70 milligram per ml. So dosage, in case of horses, we can go for IM route. In case of cattle, we can go for IM route as well as subcutaneous route. In horses, we should not go for subcutaneous injection. So whenever we are treating a heavy animal for babesiosis or theileriosis, we should not go above 4 grams of dimenazine acetate. 4 gram or 57 ml of Berenil is the maximum amount of Berenil to be injected to an animal. So the application, whenever we are going for higher doses, we should find many areas in the animal body so that pain will be less. We can avoid the local pain, so that we have to find different locations for injection. So this is the dose. For 10 kg animal, we have to go for 0.5 ml. So eventually 100 kg we will be going for 5 ml. So side effects, you can have a screenshot and you can look at these things whether you are interested or not. So storage, we should have to store it below 25 degrees Celsius and we have to protect it from the sunlight. So if at all we are going for below 25 degrees storage, we can use it for 2 years nearly. And if at all the temperature we are storing at 40 degrees Celsius, the product will be stable for 6 months. And if at all we are storing in 50 degrees Celsius, the product will be in a useful condition for 6 weeks, because sunlight will be degrading or the temperature will be degrading the amount of dimenazine acetate. So warning, in case of dogs, we should go for 0.1 ml per 2 kg dosage of Berenil. Keep it out of the reach of children, uninformed persons and animals. So always discard empty containers and injection equipment according to local waste disposal regulations. Do not use without proper reach of a veterinarian. So withdrawal period will be 3 days in case of milk and 21 days in case of animal meat. So in case of dogs, you should always go for 0.1 ml per 2 kg body mass. Keep it in mind, 0.1 ml per 2 kg. So we have presentations of 10 ml, 20 ml, 30 ml, 50 ml and 100 ml. So the 20 ml vial The 20 ml vial will be having a price of MRP 93 Indian rupees. So we can see what all are mentioned in the cover of the medicine. So this is the injection of dimenazine acetate is the chemical component or the ingredient. Berenil is the brand name. Veterinary drug 7%. That is why we have seen 70 milligram of dimenazine will be there. That's why 7%. RTU means it's ready to use. We can directly load the drug into the injection and we can go for administration of injection. So it can be used against babesiosis, trypanosomiasis and filariosis. So these pictures are given that in case of we can use it for animals. So 30 ml is the presentation. So administration according to the directions in the packing leaflet will be there. So marketed by Intervet and manufactured by Samruddh. Actually the product is owned by MSD. It's actually an American based company. So it's actually the ready to use, and always have in mind 1 ml will be having 70 milligram of dimenazine acetate. So marketed by the Intervet India Private Limited, which is a Pune based drug company. Thank you.